In today's video, I'm going to teach you how AI can revolutionize lead generation and content creation, transforming the way businesses interact with their prospects and customers. First, let's dive into the main strategies that leverage generative AI for lead generation. There's a remarkable breadth of techniques that can dramatically enhance your marketing efforts. We begin by crafting personalized content for lead nurturing. AI has the unique ability to generate hyper-personalized content, allowing marketers to engage leads more effectively. By understanding individual preferences and behaviors, AI can tailor content that resonates personally with each lead, fostering stronger connections and increasing the likelihood of conversion. Next, consider the scope of AI in automating email marketing. Generative AI can effortlessly craft personalized emails at scale, ensuring each communication feels uniquely addressed. This capability not only saves time, but also maximizes the impact of email campaigns, driving higher engagement rates than ever before. One of the most compelling applications of AI in lead generation is the creation of dynamic landing pages. AI can generate unique landing pages in response to specific queries or characteristics of a visitor, increasing relevance and conversion potential. Imagine a landing page that dynamically adjusts content based on the user's profile. Your marketing materials are instantly more effective. Moving on, utilizing AI-powered chatbots can significantly streamline lead qualification. These chatbots are not only available 24/7, but are intelligent enough to engage leads effectively, answering queries in real time, and ensuring no opportunity is lost outside of business hours. Further, AI enhances lead qualification processes by analyzing interactions and predicting lead quality, helping your sales team prioritize their efforts on the most promising prospects. AI also seamlessly integrates with CRM systems, enhancing lead management by keeping all team members informed and up to date. This integration allows for smoother workflows and ensures that leads are not only captured effectively, but nurtured through every stage of the sales funnel. Another notable aspect is optimizing ad copy and landing pages using AI. Through AI-powered creativity, ad copy can be generated to best fit the target audience, ensuring higher click-through rates and better returns on ad spend. Coupled with AI-driven A/B testing, businesses can rapidly iterate and refine their messaging for maximum impact. Finally, AI in lead scoring and prioritization is a game changer. By predicting lead quality and assigning scores, resources can be effectively allocated for conversion strategies. The guidance AI provides in routing leads ensures that each prospect receives the attention they need, making the process efficient and result-oriented. In conclusion, integrating AI into lead generation and content creation provides a multitude of opportunities for heightened efficiency and connectivity. Embracing these technological advancements means staying ahead in a competitive landscape, enhancing both the quality of engagement with clients and the overall success of your marketing initiatives. Discover the possibilities AI opens and start transforming your approach today.